Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making Kerala special fish fry. So without any further ado, let's begin. Let's prepare the paste for the marination. In a mixture jar, add half sliced onions, 6 to 7 shallots, 1 big clove of garlic, half inch chopped ginger, 1 green chilli, few curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seed, some salt to taste, 1 spoon of vinegar, 1 spoon of
Add
coconut
little
oil and grind this into a fine paste like so. Transfer it into a plate. Add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Increase or decrease as per your spice preference. Add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli powder. This adds a beautiful color. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Half teaspoon of coriander powder. Give it a nice mix. Coat the fish well. Here I have taken kingfish. You can take any fish of your choice. It's best to marinate overnight. If not, marinate for minimum 1 hour. In a frying pan, take enough coconut oil. Add few curry leaves. Place the fish and fry this for 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame each side. After 5 minutes, gently flip the fish to the other side and fry this for another 5 minutes. The fish is fried beautifully. Let's plate this. Garnish the fish with some raw onions, lemon, and some raw mango. That's it. Our delicious Kerala fish fry is ready to be served. Hope you have liked the recipe. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos. Like and share. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.